It was at this point that I knew that I had injured. In this video, I will tell you my process on how I learned how to throw backflip permanently. Like there's no time I throw and I don't land it. I will take you through my process. Since I was lesser in age, I've been trying to do backflip without putting my hands. I have loved to flip. In fact, there are other small backflips that I can do, but this particular one, we call it steady. While I was growing up, I've always tried it. I can do the one that I will backflip and put my hand. I know how to do that one. I can jump. I can really play rough play, and I like stunts. I like stunts. I was desperate. I was doing it anyhow that time. I would jump. My friends would say I'm crazy because I do too much. I still do too much even at my age. Like I still do too much. And at this point, I was trying to do this backflip, but my camera did the flip inside. And you know what? I did not land this backflip. I fell with my head and my shoulder. So I bruised my shoulder. I bruised my shoulder and I also bruised my chest. There's blood. And you know what? It made me even more determined. I'll take you through the process, my beginnings and my endings. Right here, I knew that I had injured myself. Just as I started saying, ouch, ouch, if you hear closely, you hear my groaning. I was already in pain. This video will also teach you on how to be consistent and disciplined and determine that everything you will need to achieve in life, you have to determine. I achieved a steady backflip because I kept trying. I did not allow losing give me a reason to stop. I did not allow losing to make me give up on myself because I knew I could do it. And then I saw a lot of people my age doing it too. It made me more motivated, more inspired to do it. You understand? And I did it and I did it and I did it countless times and now I can do it over and over again and I keep landing it because I never give up. Continue trying. I'm going to try again.